Hello guys, it's Radic Propellant and again today, same day. Pretty much kind of like made a volcano. We have warm water here and inside there's dry ice and dish soap. Now it's really slippery, so let's do this. Ooh, crap. Whoa. Hey, there's the bubbles. They're coming! They're coming! It just slides. If you want it this direction. Whoa. Look at it. It's like a volcano. Like literally, it's like all the ashes burst out some places. It's weird because these bubbles are moving down and these ones are moving up, so it's confusing. And it looks like we have a whirlpool right here. I blew on it. We'll probably edit in a little square right there to show where the whirlpool was. Does that work? Whoa. Is that magic? She's like... So, I'm gonna stop the video here, so hit the like button, subscribe, and bye.